Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to cover the pre-shot routine, why it's important, and how to develop one that works for you. So those of you that have taken lessons from me, I think most of you will recall that at some point I've asked what your pre-shot routine is. And a lot of times I get an answer that is something along the lines of, well, I tried to do the same thing every time, but more often than not, people don't really know what they're doing before each shot. So I wanted to go over why it's important, first of all, and then how to establish a real quick one that you can get through in just a few seconds, get yourself ready to hit. The most important thing about a pre-shot routine is that it occupies our brain for the amount of time that we've got to concentrate on striking the ball. It gets our brain ready to focus. So for each person, it's going to be a little bit different, but it should include something that reminds us what our target is, something that reminds us of the fundamentals and the setup that we can get ready to hit each shot for, and then maybe one key swing thought. So I'll go through mine real quick. First of all, after I've picked my club, I've determined what my shot selection is going to be, and I've got my target, I'm going to start from behind the ball on a direct line from the ball to my target. I'm going to take a big deep breath and exhale, and then I'm going to walk into my shot from a 90-degree angle. I'm going to set the club behind the ball, and then I'm going to draw a line from the ball to my target and set my feet while I have my eyes on the target. From there, I'm going to do a quick check on my posture, make sure that it's good, my positioning is correct, take another glance at the target, and then I'm going to focus in on my one key swing thought. Okay, so for me, my swing thought is the right elbow. So that sounds like a lot of things to go through, but I'll give you a quick example of how fast I can rattle through those, dozen or so things and not make it seem like I'm taking a lot of time. So again, I'm going to start from behind my ball, and normally I would be about 3 yards behind my ball. I'm going to draw an imaginary line from my target through the ball to my feet, and then I'm going to step into my shot from a 90-degree angle, ground my club, pick up my target again, set my feet, check my posture, check my positioning, and now I'm going to focus on my swing thought and pull the trigger. Okay? So here it is in real time. Pay a little bit of attention to what works for you for a good pre-shot routine. That should help you improve your scores.